Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin Boulter and I'm the founder and CEO of TabTrade. Today marks the official launch of TabTrade in March 2026. TabTrade is a new forex and CFD broker built with one very clear goal in mind: markets made simple. I've spent many years building and running global brokerage firms across different markets, platforms and segments. And during that time, one consistent issue became impossible to ignore. Retail traders are presented with unnecessary complexity, unclear pricing, and trading conditions that don't match what's advertised. I'm here today to tell you that TabTrade exists because we believe traders deserve better. From day one, the goal was not to build the loudest broker or the most aggressive marketing-led brand. The goal was to prioritize execution quality, pricing transparency, and long-term trust. TabTrade is built by a team of seasoned professionals. And as traders ourselves, we've built a product that we are genuinely passionate about and believe in. Every decision started with one question: does this improve the trading experience for our clients? The answer is yes. And that focus drives everything we do. Our infrastructure is designed for speed and scalability. Our pricing model is built on decades of experience working directly with traders. Our platform decisions are guided by what traders actually use, not what sounds good in an advertisement. We deliberately designed TabTrade to remove friction. No unnecessary complexity, no confusing pricing structures, no hidden conditions buried in fine print, and no marketing tricks designed to attract traders and disappoint them later. At TabTrade, you should always know exactly what you're paying, how your trades are executed, and what you're actually trading. Security and transparency are foundational. Client funds are held in segregated accounts with our corporate banking partners. Our internal processes follow international regulatory and compliance standards, including strict controls around risk management, data security, and operational oversight. Trust is not something you can claim. It's something that you earn over time by doing the basics properly, consistently, and without compromise. For over a decade, my team and I have grown multiple industry-leading Tier 1 regulated businesses using this same approach. Now, I want to tell you what truly separates TabTrade: our pricing model. Many brokers advertise spreads from 0 pips, and most traders know how that ends. 0 appears in the marketing, but when trades are placed, the reality is quite different. At TabTrade, we don't advertise spreads from 0. We offer 0 average spreads on the most actively traded forex pairs. Not from 0, not minimum 0, not promotional 0. Average. Average 0 spreads. And that distinction matters. Across major currency pairs, when spreads are measured over time, the average comes to 0. This materially changes trading economics, especially for active traders. Lower transaction costs, reduced friction for short-term strategies, and clearer advantages for scalpers and high-frequency traders. This pricing is only possible because execution quality supports it. We use 1-0, the institutional standard in CFD infrastructure. Orders are routed through institutional grade liquidity using low latency systems. Trades reach their market quickly. Slippage is minimized. Pricing remains clean and consistent. We've also partnered with NYC servers for VPS infrastructure, optimized for connectivity to major financial data centers, including Equinix LD4 and LT5. This approach delivers 1 millisecond latency to leading brokerage environments. MT5 comes pre-installed, ready to trade, running on high-performance AMD servers with 100% uptime and 24/7 support. The result is measurable execution, no marketing claims, just infrastructure that speaks for itself. Leverage is another area where traders want flexibility. TabTrade offers flexible risk management. With leverage up to 1 to 1,000, you choose your exposure based on your strategy, experience, and risk tolerance. Short-term or long-term, the same infrastructure supports both. TabTrade is a true open market access brokerage. More than 1,000 instruments through a single account. Majors, minors, exotics, gold, silver, oil, US stocks, global indices, commodities, cryptocurrency. One account. One platform, open market access. There are no minimum deposits. Start at your pace. Scale when you are ready. Trade in a way that fits your situation. Support matters, especially when the markets move. TabTrade provides 24-hour support. Real people providing real assistance when you need it. At launch, TabTrade supports MetaTrader 5. TradingView and cTrader integrations are planned to follow, but our goal is simple. Use platforms you already trust and understand. Everything at TabTrade comes back to one idea. Professional grade conditions should not be exclusive to institutions. Retail traders deserve the same execution quality, pricing transparency, and reliability. TabTrade combines speed, simplicity, and discipline to deliver exactly that. I invite you to visit tabtrade.com, explore the platform, review the pricing, monitor the spreads in real time. See for yourself why TabTrade is different. Thank you for watching, and welcome to TabTrade.